What if I told you that with a free AI account, a laptop, and a single weekend, you could realistically make $500? Not by filling out surveys, not by a pyramid scheme, by delivering actual value to real people using AI as your unfair advantage. In this video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step blueprint. 4 different methods, each one proven, each one doable this weekend. Let's go. Quick note before we dive in. $500 in a weekend is achievable but not guaranteed. The people who hit these numbers are the ones who actually execute, not just watch. You're going to have to do the work. What AI does is give you 10x the output in the same time. That's the edge. With that said, let's get to it. This is the fastest path for most people. Businesses need words all the time. Landing pages, emails, product descriptions, social media posts, ad copy, and most small businesses are doing it badly. Here's the play. Step 1. Go to Upwork.com or Fiverr.com. Create a profile. Don't overthink it. Headline, conversion copywriter, emails, landing pages, ads. That's it. Step 2. Set your rate at $75 to $150 per piece. For a complete beginner, this might feel high. It's not. Here's why. You're going to deliver in 2 hours what used to take a full day. Step 3. Open Claude or ChatGPT. Your workflow for every job. Brief the AI on the client's product, their audience, their goal, and the format. Ask for 3 variations. Pick the best one, refine it with your own voice, polish for 20 minutes. Step 4. Deliver quality work, get 5-star reviews, raise your rates. Realistic weekend math. 4 pieces, $100 average, $400. Add 1 rush job at $150, $550. Done. Job seekers will pay good money for a great resume, especially in a tough market. And AI can produce a polished, ATS-optimized resume in about 10 minutes. Here's the play. Step 1. Post on Facebook groups, LinkedIn and Nextdoor. Resume writer, ATS optimized, LinkedIn ready, 24-hour turnaround, $75. DM me. Step 2. When a client comes, ask them to send their current resume or a bullet list of their experience, the job description they're targeting. Step 3. Feed both into Claude or ChatGPT. Prompt. Rewrite this resume to be ATS optimized for this specific job posting. Use active language, quantify achievements, and mirror keywords from the posting. Step 4. Review, make minor edits, deliver a clean Word doc and PDF. Realistic weekend math. 5 resumes, $75 through $75. Upsell 2 of them on LinkedIn profile rewrites at $50 each, equal $475 total. Close. Pro tip, package it. Resume plus cover letter, LinkedIn, $150. Easier sell, bigger ticket. Every small business in your area has a social media account they're either neglecting or using badly. Offer to create a month of content for them. Here's the play. Step 1. Drive or walk around your town. Note any local business you follow, eat at, or buy from. Do they post consistently? Does their content look good? If not, that's your prospect. Step 2. Prepare a content audit sample for free. Use ChatGPT to rewrite 3 of their recent posts in a better format. Take 15 minutes. Bring it to them. Step 3. Pitch. I noticed your Instagram could use some help. I created 3 sample posts for you, completely free. If you like these, I can create 30 posts for the whole month, 1 flat fee, $200. Step 4. Once they say yes, open ChatGPT or Claude. Prompt. I'm creating 30 Instagram posts for a type of business in city. The brand voice is X. Create 30 varied posts, educational, promotional, community-focused, behind the scenes. Include hashtags and post timing recommendations. Edit, format into a doc, or scheduled into Buffer later. Deliver. Realistic weekend math. 2 local businesses at $200 each equals $400. 1 referral from happy client equals $200 more. $600 weekend is possible. This one has the highest upside because it's truly passive. You create it once and sell it forever. Here's the play. Step 1. Pick a topic you know something about. Electrician, freelancer, rent, fitness. It doesn't need to be your passion. It needs to solve a problem someone will pay to solve. Step 2. Create a simple guide or toolkit. Examples: 50 AI prompts for small business owners, $17. First-time homebuyer checklist, walkthrough guide, $12. Side hustle starter kit, 10 ideas, first steps, $27. Step 3. Use ChatGPT to write the entire thing. Prompt. Create a detailed 15-page guide on topic aimed at audience. Include actionable steps, examples, and a checklist at the end. Step 4. Format it in Google Docs. Export as PDF. Step 5. Go to Gumroad.com, create a free account, list your product, share the link in Facebook groups, Reddit, and your social media. Realistic weekend math. Create plus list Friday. Promote Saturday plus Sunday. 20 sales and $17, $340. This one doesn't pay big on day one, it builds. If the 4 main methods aren't your style, here are 5 more that work. 1. AI chatbot setup. Set up a basic AI chatbot for a local business. Charge $150, $300. Tools, ManyChat, Tidio. 2. Voiceover for YouTube creators. AI voices are in demand. Use 11 Labs to produce narration for other creators. Fiverr charges $50 to $100 video. 3. Blog post writing. Local SEO agencies pay $50 per blog post. Write 5-8 a weekend using Claude. 4. Translation services. Use AI translation tools to serve businesses that need multilingual content. $50 to $100 per document. 5. PowerPoint deck creation. Business professionals hate building slides. Charge $75 to $150 per deck. Use AI to write the content, Canva to design it. Here's the honest truth about making $500 this weekend. The AI part is easy. The hard part is actually posting the offer, having the conversation, and delivering the work. Most people watch videos like this, think that's cool, and do nothing. The person reading this in the comments section 6 months from now who made $2,000 last weekend, they started with one of these methods this weekend. You have the tools, you have the blueprint. What you do with it is on you. What happens after the first $500? The first $500 is the hardest. After that, the path gets clearer. You know which method feels right for you. You know how to price it and pitch it. You have at least one client who paid you, which means you can get testimonials and use them in your next pitch. Week 2. Target your $500 again, but with a little more efficiency. Now you're not starting from zero, you have a process. Week 4. Consider whether you want to keep this as a weekend income stream or whether there's a way to scale it into something bigger. The people who build meaningful AI income do it by treating the first weekend not as a one-time sprint, but as the beginning of a system. The system gets refined every week. The efficiency improves, the rates go up, the revenue compounds. $500 this weekend, $1,000 next month, $3,000 a month by summer. That's the progression when people treat this seriously. Your next step right now, before you close this video, do one thing. Pick the method that feels most accessible to you based on your skills and write down what you're going to do in the next 24 hours to start it. Not a vague intention, a specific first action. Post my copywriting offer on Fiverr by 9 p.m. tonight. Text 5 people in my network about my resume writing service. Create my Gumroad account and outline my first digital product. The specific first step is what separates the people who make money from the people who watch videos about making money. Take it tonight. Subscribe to Node Pulse if you want more real, actionable content on using AI to make and save money. No fluff, no hype, just what works. New video every week. I'll see you there.